In this session, we will understand the difference between traditional NLP and modern NLP approaches. Let us first talk about traditional NLP. Traditional NLP relied heavily on rule-based system and statistical models. In rule-based systems, developers had to manually define rules. For example, if a sentence contains the word good, it might be classified as positive. If it contains the word bad, it might be classified as negative. This approach requires extensive manual feature engineering. Feature engineering means that humans had to carefully design which words, patterns, or statistics the model should look at. Statistical models like support vector machines were commonly used. These models depended on manually extracted features like word counts or frequencies. Traditional NLP worked for simple tasks. It had major limitations. It struggled with context. It could not understand sarcasm. It could not handle synonyms properly. It treated sentences as collections of words rather than understanding meaning. Now let us move to modern NLP. Modern NLP uses deep learning and transformer-based models. Instead of manually defining rules, modern models learn patterns automatically from large amounts of data. Transformers introduce the concept of attention mechanism. Attention allows models to focus on important words in a sentence when understanding meaning. This leads to semantic understanding. Semantic understanding means the model does not just match keywords, it understands the context and intent behind the sentence. For example, I am feeling cold. I need a jacket. Traditional NLP might treat these as separate statements. Modern NLP understands that both sentences are related in meaning. Modern NLP can handle synonyms, context shifts, and long-range dependencies between words. This shift from rule-based systems to transformer-based deep learning models is a revolution in NLP. In this course, we will focus on one of the most powerful modern approaches, sentence transformers, which allow us to capture sentence-level semantic meaning effectively.